Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not, thank you for coming back. So I just want to let you guys know I just recently changed the name of this channel from Hanging with the Hills to Pray.Plan.Repeat. So if you're interested in seeing my weekly design, then stay tuned. Alright, so for the whole year of 2018, I have been planning in my Happy Planner, and this is their big Happy Planner, and this is the Favorite Memories Happy Planner. And I kind of changed it to represent me and the way how I plan. Alright, so this planner is completely undated, and this is the planner I chose to use for 2018. So I have already put down the dates for this week, which this happens to be Gobble Gobble week. So I'm just going to pull these two sheets out of my planner, and I'm going to get started here. So this is November 2018, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the sticker books I will be using. I will be using this sticker book here. I think it's a seasonal, yes, a seasonal sticker book that I will be using. My little, these little pink sticky notes I have already looked through, so I already know what I want to use, so that's just letting me know where my the stickers I want to use are at and located. I am also using the dates and holiday sticker book here. I'm also going to go into the squad goals sticker book, along with the tiny sticker book. And lastly, I'm going to go into the color stories, and yeah, let's just jump right into this. Alright, so this is the end of my spread for November 19th through the 25th, and I will show you guys what it looks like starting from over here. So this is the layout it came out with. It came out super cute. I loved it. I probably should have added like a little bit more here, but I wanted to make sure I had enough room to write. So that is what it looks like. All the way to the bottom, just like that. There you go, all the way to the bottom. That is what it looks like. So for the second portion of this is the second part. This is what it looks like right here. And as I make my way down, that is what it looks like right there. Well, this week's plan with me, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watching me decorate it. It's super cute. It's super Thanksgiving-ish, and I really do love it a lot, so I can't wait to put pen to paper and make this week count. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please decide to stay for a while and subscribe, and make sure your bell is turned on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video coming up. Once again, my name is Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by, and I hope to see you guys again soon. And remember, I just changed my name, or my channel name, to Pray, Plan, Repeat. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again later. Bye.